Are you pulling your hair out because your QuickBooks Desktop reconciliation is off? Don't worry. In the next minute and a half, I'll show you exactly how to track down and fix those pesky discrepancies. First, let's understand why reconciliations go wrong. A common culprit is simply entering incorrect beginning balance. So, before diving deep, double-check that the beginning balance in QuickBooks matches your actual bank statement starting balance. It sounds obvious, but it's often the issue. Next, let's dive into outstanding transactions. These are transactions on your bank statement that haven't been entered, or vice versa. Go to the banking menu. Then review the transactions in the reconciliation window. Carefully compare each transaction listed in QuickBooks against your bank statement. Look for any missing transactions that need to be added or any incorrect amounts that need to be corrected. Use the filter option to narrow down the date range if you're dealing with a large number of transactions. This really speeds up the process. Found an error? Double-click the transaction in the reconciliation window to open it. Correct the amount, date, or any other detail as needed. If a transaction exists on your bank statement but is missing in QuickBooks, you'll need to manually create it. Head over to Banking, then select Enter Bills or Write Checks depending on the transaction type. Once you've made all the necessary corrections, recalculate the difference in the reconciliation window. Ideally, the difference should now be 0. If not, double-check your work and repeat the process until the discrepancy is resolved. To save all of your reconciliations, go to Reports, then Banking. Finally, select Previous Reconciliation. Generate reconciliation reports regularly to catch errors early and maintain accurate financial records. And that's it. By following these steps, you can confidently tackle reconciliation discrepancies in QuickBooks Desktop and ensure your financial reporting is spot on. Good luck and happy reconciling!